Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, P&J's Homestead Adventure. Harvest time has begun here in New York State. We are very excited to be picking veggies. We've been eating quite a few vegetables from the garden, but now it's time to start putting some in the freezer for later. Check out the size of this tomato. Kale and cantaloupe. I'm also doing chores inside while Jason is outside mowing. We have another weekend adventure coming up. Clean laundry, clean cooler. I'm a big believer in wrapping your kale and lettuce up in a towel in the refrigerator. The towel absorbs the excess moisture on your kale and it lasts longer. Wet veggies spoil faster. Now it can go in the refrigerator for later. Milling blackberries for blackberry jelly. Okay, we are all set up. I have my bands and my vinegar to wipe the top of the jars. Lids are sitting in hot boiling water to get that rubber ready. I have my rings ready. I have my vinegar ready to clean the tops of the jars after I fill them with the sticky jam. I have my handy dandy funnel ready. And we're starting to come up to a boil. This is great. This is the 8 cups of juice with a tablespoon of butter, 1 package of pectin. Okay, so I added my 8 cups of sugar. We're going to make sure that dissolves really well. And we're going to bring it back up to a boil. And then once it comes back up to a full boil, we're going to let it boil for 1 minute, and then it's ready to go in our jars. Look at that color. This recipe has a lot of sugar added. We use this for desserts, like jelly donuts. Jars are all ready. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the blackberry jelly into the jars. And we're going to leave 1/8 of a head space from the top of the jar. And we're going to use the stick to go ahead and give it a little stir and get some of those air bubbles out of there. And you want to clean the lids with the vinegar. Get any sticky jam off of there. And get your rings on. Only hand tight. Don't give it like a Superman tight. Just hand tight. And they're going into a water bath canner. Don't forget to take off your rings. Rings are only meant for canning. They're not meant for storage. Putting them in your cupboard, you want to have them just with the lid on. Reason being, you don't want to leave your ring on. If that seal fails on that lid, it'll pop up and you want to know that it failed so you can throw it out. If you leave the ring on, sometimes the lid will reseal. And that's a false seal, and that could make you sick. You don't want bacteria getting in there. Enjoy your blackberry jelly. And thanks to Mother Nature, I don't have to water the garden again. I feel so bad to even say that because there's so many of you that are not getting any rain at all. But here in New York State, I have only watered the garden 7 times. It is one of my favorite things to do, but thank you, Mother Nature. On these cloudy days, I turn on the grow lights in the sunroom for the indoor plants to provide a little substitute for natural sunlight that day. Perfect. I cut up some fresh cantaloupe and put it in the freezer, flash freezed it, and I'll bag it up later. I vacuumed up 3 packages of peppers and onions and popped them in the freezer. Time to save more seeds. Saving seeds is so easy. Just scoop out the ones that you want to keep, wash them real good. They have almost a slimy coating on them. Wash them really good with water, and then just dry them on a paper towel and save them for next year. We have mail from Tina at Life in the Piedmont. During one of the lives, she was giving away this cute little jar cover, and we won. I think I'm going to use it for the sourdough. And then Jason at Just Jason Keto and More sent us his brand new stickers and some swag. Thank you, Jason. Both of their channel links will be in our description. Lavender is still blooming. Picking more eggplants. The cosmos are blooming. So pretty. This is going to make a great gourd birdhouse. I've never had a round one grow before. The plant is dying back, and all of that energy is going into those gourds. Fall is coming. Peppers and peppers and more peppers. Even the little Armageddons are growing. The beans have flowers on them. We keep picking tomatoes. Now that our pumpkins are turning orange, I stand them up, so I ensure that the bottom is nice and flat. We do like to use them for decoration before I preserve them for the fall season. Beautiful stray.
Hello.
We went foraging for mushrooms. Mushrooms, mushrooms everywhere. In an upcoming video, it's all about mushrooms. If you're new around here at P&J's Homestead Adventure, here's a little trailer so you can see what we've been up to around here. Thank you for stopping by.